Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, we will build an intuitive understanding of the S-curve in earned value management. The S-curve is a graph of cumulative work or cumulative cost over time. Projects usually start slow, accelerate in the middle, and then level off as they finish, making the letter S shape. On an S-curve in earned value management, we watch three lines. Plan value is your budget plan over time. Earned value is the value of the work actually completed so far. Actual cost is what you actually spent. We will draw plan value first, then earned value, then actual cost. Now, let us read a snapshot to check schedule and budget. We draw a vertical time marker. At this time, compare earned value with planned value. If earned value is above planned value, you are ahead of schedule. If it is below, you are behind. Then compare earned value with actual cost. If earned value is above actual cost, you are under budget. If it is below, you are over budget. We use two simple differences called variances. Cost variance equals earned value minus actual cost. Schedule variance equals earned value minus planned value. A positive variance is good. A negative variance is bad. Let us practice with a simple example. Imagine a Lego tower. By Wednesday, the plan was 100 bricks. You actually placed 80 bricks. You actually spent the money for 90 bricks. So schedule variance is 80 minus 100, which is negative 20, behind schedule by 20 bricks. Cost variance is 80 minus 90, which is negative 10, over budget by 10 bricks. To summarize, the S-curve shows cumulative progress over time. Compare earned value to planned value for schedule and earned value to actual cost for budget. Use schedule variance equals earned value minus planned value and cost variance equals earned value minus actual cost. Positive is good, negative needs attention. Thank you for watching.